Guys, I think there is a potential pump fund trade here based on the alpha trend strategy, you know. So this move here, this move that took us right up to this point, was created by this buy signal by the alpha trend. You see, this candle initiated this move or move to the upside. When this candle was printed, right? We saw that price kick off from there. You can see from here, boom, to the upside, right? Now, we are seeing that the alpha trend has printed a sell signal here. So based on this strategy, what we want to see is simple. We want to see rejection here, and we are selling when we see price get back there, and price is going to be below the 50 day, the 1 hour, sorry, below the 50 day, the 13-day, and the 5-day EMA. Then this is going to be a confirmation to take the trade downward. So if we are to look at this on the 15 minutes time frame, particularly, maybe you can even take the trade on the 15 minutes time frame if you want to, but you can see clearly that price is making lower lows and lower highs. You can see, yeah, lower lows and lower highs. So we should expect this to continue, right? Oh boy, to continue. Now, based on this also here, you can see this is being rejected here. Price is rejecting this zone here because this candle printed the sell signal on this time frame. So that's why you are seeing the rejection. So you can already place a trade on the daily time frame if you on the 15 minutes time frame if you want to. I'm just gonna make this to be to be big so I can see that properly. Let me see. So this candle here is actually the reason why price is rejecting, currently where price is. You can see price is rejecting this zone. So if you want, you can place a trade and then you stop loss just above here. But because of the FOMO meeting, I'm not gonna be doing that. Right, I want to wait until I get multiple confirmation. The main confirmation is gonna be seeing price right down here. So I'm gonna be looking at that to be my confirmation. Then my stop loss can be right away, like right up there. So like taking the trade now is like a good thing, but you shouldn't put your stop loss just closer. Your stop loss should be at least above here, like above this zone here, because you can see there's also another sell signal here, this one here, and you can decide to take the trade here if say you see like this signal was created by this candle, you see. So there are multiple areas where you can take that sell if you manage to actually like if you're not able to get it here, right, you can get it here when price is below, or you can get it when price is below. So these zones are all zones where you can get that sell or just sell order, right? If you're doing this, placing the sell order here, then put your stop loss right up here, right up here around this area. I think what I'm gonna be doing now, since I'm doing this analysis on the 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna wait for more confirmation on the 1 hour time frame. Then I can drop down to the 15 minutes time frame to take the trade. Yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop down to the 15 minutes time frame to take the trade. But this is the analysis here on this time frame. So anything in this zone is a buy, so it's a sell, and then your stop loss can be far away there. You can see far away there. So actually, let me do this quick video for you guys. Those of you who are available, good and fine. If you're not available, good and fine.